squash, the best squash ever. I hope you like the little montage at the beginning. If you couldn't already guess, I am going to be doing attempting a transformation video because I've been looking kind of rough and I'm sick of it. We're gonna be tanning. I've just had a shower, waxing my eyebrows, skincare, maybe nails, and tomorrow I'm gonna get ready and we'll see the final result. Just excuse this. Not happy about it, but we move. And I just want to say before I start, if you are new here and you did enjoy this video, then I'd love it if you would subscribe and like the video. It means a lot to me, and let me know what else you want me to film. So basically, like I said, just got out the shower. I said shower, but I just had a bath, as you saw. So I feel refreshed. My hair's like drying. And I want to do a face mask. The face mask of choice today is this one, which I got from Pretty Little Thing. We need to get this on soon so we can get rid of this because I'm just not feeling it. But everyone gets spots, okay? Everyone. I'm intrigued about this. From afar it smells really nice, but then kind of getting chemical smells, but it's fine. This one apparently is a peel off mask, so I'm confused. But I'm just gonna put this everywhere. I want to know what everyone's been watching whilst we've been in lockdown, because I literally had never seen The Vampire Diaries before and now I can't stop. It's honestly so good. If you haven't seen it, then highly recommend, but you probably have because pretty much everyone has, apart from me. It's got like 8 seasons, so you're good to go for like the next month. This does actually smell quite nice. It does get a little bit messy. Oh, so I wanted to update you all on those nose strips that I got from Pretty Little Thing. It was in a haul that I did. I'll link it below if you haven't seen it. They were incredible. They're all gone. Otherwise I would have used them today. They pulled everything out. Everything. I was actually disgusted about how like minging my nose was. And then I also used it on my chin. Right, so I'm gonna leave this on now for like, it just says to leave it on until it dries, so I'll leave this on for like 20 minutes and then I'll come back and we can peel it off. Got a funny feeling this isn't gonna peel off in like one thing, so we'll see. Right, let's peel this off. I can't speak. It honestly is so tight, but I think this is gonna be quite satisfying. Where should I start? At the bottom. Oh, it's painful. Ow. Oh my god, it's so satisfying. Ow. Ooh, these side bits here. Oh my god. How satisfying was that? Did it do anything though? That's the question. I mean, my face feels soft, but it feels quite dry. Don't really think it did anything, but it was fun. And then I'm going to use some Mario Badescu. And I was going to wax my eyebrows, but I can't find the wax strips I was going to use, so tweezing it is, which I hate doing because it hurts. To be fair, my eyebrows aren't that bad. I've just realised my skin is so red. You can't tell in this light, but in person, my skin looks so irritated. great. Right, I think that's alright. They weren't too bad. Okay, we're now in my bathroom. Sorry about the lighting and sorry if you can't hear me properly, but here we are. The tan that I'm gonna be using is this one. It's the Skinny Tan Express Mousse 1 hour one. I got this on sale. I wouldn't pay full price for this, but it is a really good tan. And the mitt I'm gonna use is just the Bondi Sands like fluffy mitt. I look horrific. I already moisturised when I got out of the shower, so I don't need to do that. So I'm literally just gonna start applying the tan. It doesn't have like a lot of colour at first, but it develops to a really nice colour. So that is the tan applied to here, as you can see. It looks kind of patchy, but it's not in real life. And when it like develops and when I wash it off, it looks nice. So I'm just gonna finish doing this. Right, hi guys, morning. It is the next day. It's actually like quite late. What time is it? 12 o'clock. I'm going to be visiting, well, I'm meeting my mum in a park with my brother, obviously socially distancing, but that's what I'm doing today. So I'm really excited to actually get ready and do something for once. I showered my tan off, so it looks like this. It's like quite a natural tan. I've washed my face, brushed my teeth and all that, so we're ready to go. I did my nails last night. This is what they look like. They got a little butterfly. I love them. I kind of messed up like the placement. Obviously it's my first time using like decals, decals, I don't know what they're called. This is how they went and I'm actually happy with them. If I filmed it, it would have been really stressful, so I'm glad I didn't. So now what I'm going to be doing is my makeup. Get myself ready. I haven't got that long, so I'm going to like time lapse it, my makeup, and just tell you what I'm going to do first. So for my makeup, I'm just doing like my everyday makeup, what I usually would do. So I'm going to get on and do that. And then I think I'm going to curl my hair. I'm not sure. See. Also, I actually look like Joe Exotic. Like I actually do. Honestly, this whole video is just me looking horrific, like the whole time. Please don't unsubscribe. Please. Please. To you, it's been about 5 hours. I was in too much of a rush, so I had to go, but here we are now. Makeup kind of looks a little bit bad. I honestly look worse, but it's fine. I tried my best, but I just wanted to show you like the overall finish. Didn't want to just finish the video there. This is what my makeup looks like. I just put my hair in like a bun, like that. Pretty much what I always do. Outfit wise, I've got, let me show you. So for my outfit, I've just got this white jacket on. This is from Zara. Got this not that long ago actually. And then this is the dress. This is a dress. I'll try and show you the rest. This is the dress. Looks like that. I can't go any further back, but you get the gist. It's got like a little slit. Cute. It's got like an underskirt thing. Yeah, it's nice. It's just strappy. And yeah. Some might say overdressed for the park, but whatever. And this was a bit of a fail, but if you did enjoy the video, then please give it a like anyway, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I honestly feel like there wasn't much of a glow up. Basically just got rid of my spot and got changed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.